So there's a little bit to do in the town of Aramac. There's a tram museum. Apparently there was a tram that ran between Barcaldine and Aramac back in the day. So the tramway ran from 1913 to 75.
Yeah.
75, when it's in your own lifetime, it doesn't seem that long ago, does it?
No. Yeah, in 1989 they borrowed £66,500 to build the tramway. But it was expected that the council would have to find another £10,000 from its own resources. Oh.
Well, all right, it was very dark when we walked in here, but we found the light switch.
Ooh.
Oh, it's turned off again.
That's exciting.
Maybe, yeah. So
maybe it's a dodgy switch.
There's
Let's see if I can get electrocuted.
Lots more down here. Glenn,
Oh.
don't die. I'll walk down quickly because the lights are going to turn off.
Queensland Rail.
It's a dicky old switch down here, the light switch.
Yeah.
Gee, there's a lot of stuff though.
It's all in a cage.
Yep, so you can't pinch it.
No. Aramac Creek.
Masonic Lodge number 69.
63.
Oh, sorry. Here's your train. Woo!
There's a projector. We've got organs, pianos.
There's wind outside.
Yeah. The wind's
It
come
sounds
up.
like the roof's going to come off.
Sounds like it.
So this is an old tram. Well, the lights stayed on, Glenn.
Yep.
Here's the ticket station. All the office gear. And
The tram.
we come back out to the entry.
Yeah. Amazing. That was a quick tour, only because we were worried about the lights going out. But
If you wanted to read everything.
I am in need of restoration. Can you help? There you go. We could stay here for a while and I could help them.
Yes, because the caravan park has pay 3 nights, stay 5.
Yeah.
Give you a few days to help them out.
Yeah. I think I need more than just a few days.
Yeah, I think so too.
So the rail motor, number 28, was called Aunt Emma around the town. So
And we're going to go and find her out the back of the
yeah,
museum.
we'll find her out the back.
Here she is.
Yeah, there she is, Aunt Emma. She looks in pretty good nick.
It does.
A little bit paint fade, but that's about it.
Ooh, ooh. What makes the difference between a tram and a train? Like,
A train has a locomotive, but it also might be gauged too.
yeah, well look, I suppose the rail lines don't look like a rail line. Is that the gauge?
No, you turn around, so it looks like a rail line.
Oh, okay, I'll follow it.
Yeah,
Here we
follow
go.
it.
Oh, down there's a railway line.
Yeah, with sleepers and everything.
Yeah. I don't know enough about it.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I'll take it for a drive, Vic.
I don't think so, Glenn.
Maximum speed, 30 miles per hour. There you go.
She's a nice looking thing though, isn't she?
Yeah.
So there's another little bull here at the tram station. And guess what he's called? Trainer Bull. Even got an old hearse here. There's lots of vehicles and things outside the tram museum to wander around. Yeah, I don't know much about tractors, but I do know tyre is stuffed.
This one's mine is a head, good big crack in the block.
Well, you know enough to work that out.
Yeah. Holy crankcase, Batman. It's got holes in the crankcase. No sump. Someone's pulled it apart,
Okay.
but got no further.
Well, restoration is costly and time consuming.
Yes.